Stop wasting money on skincare products that don't work. These simple skincare tips will completely transform your skin if you stay consistent. Hi lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Funmi if you are new here, and today we are going to be sharing my best skincare tip that helped me get clearer, smoother, and glowing skin. These are simple, realistic tips that actually work, and so there's no overcomplicated routines. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. So my first skincare tip is to keep your skincare routine simple. You don't need 10 different products. A good routine should include a cleanser, a moisturizer, sunscreen, and maybe one treatment product. Using too many products can actually irritate your skin and lead to breakouts. Tip number 2 is to choose consistency over perfection. Consistency is everything. You won't see results overnight, but if you stick to your routine daily, your skin will improve over time. Remember that skincare is a long game and not a quick fix. Tip number 3 is to always wear sunscreen. This tip is really important as you never want to skip sunscreen. Even if it's not sunny, UV rays can still damage your skin. They can cause hyperpigmentation and they can speed up aging. So sunscreen is definitely one of the best skincare products that you can use. Tip number 4 is to know your skin type. Whether you have oily, dry, sensitive, or combination skin, your routine should be tailored to that. And remember that using the wrong products can make your skin worse instead of getting better. Tip number 5 is do not over-exfoliate. Exfoliating too often can damage your skin barrier and lead to irritations or breakouts. 2 to 3 times a week is usually more than enough for your skin. Tip number 6 is to stay hydrated and eat well. Remember that skincare isn't just about what you put on your face, it's also about what you're putting in your body. Remember to drink enough water, eat enough fruits and vegetables, and try to limit taking too much sugar and processed foods. Remember that your skin basically reflects your lifestyle. Tip number 7 is to be careful with trends. Remember that not every skincare trend that you see online will work for you. What works for someone else might not work for your skin. Remember to always pay attention to your skin and tailor your skincare to your own skin type. Tip number 8 is to give your skincare products time to work. Switching products too quickly can actually confuse your skin. Most products would need at least a few weeks to start to show results. So these are my top skincare tips for clear and glowing skin. If you found this video helpful, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions at all. Let me know in the comments what is one skincare tip that truly transformed your skin. Also, you can follow me on Instagram at Fumilonge, and you can also follow me on TikTok at Fumzi. The links will be in the description. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you again in the next video. Bye!